Hi, I'm Gene's mobile mechanic. I am doing today front and rear pads in a Mercedes GLE C63. First of all, make sure you remove the brake reservoir cap. You will require a diagnostic tool to rewind the rear calipers. Make sure the vehicle is in neutral and all wheels are chocked.
You got any jobs, dude?
Doing the rear pads in this move. You can see electronic calipers, you have to wind them in service mode. You have to move to assembly. Move to assembly position. I've already done it in assembly. Calipers wind back automatically. Electronic motor. As you can see, all it's done is took the motor back on the inside. You still have to wind it in. So get the brake tool.
Are you sure you know
Hello.
what you are doing?
Here's the brake tool.
You
Here's
don't
the
need
dog.
that tool.
We're all set. It's just a push piston. You don't need the tool.
See, I was right.
Just found that out because this cover ain't coming off. So just lever the piston back like so. That is as far as it goes back. It's just push. And just push it with the lever. I use this through the gap. Just leave it. Drop it. But you've got to unwind them with the computer. You don't need this. You just need that. We've got new pads, new shims, new bolts. All good. They are the same. As you can see, one has got the hump on to go in the caliper, like that.
The one with the hump goes to the piston.
So, pop these up.
Make sure you remove both pads before treating to remove the chinois.
A bit awkward one hand. Oh, use the pads on. Pad off. That one out. There we go. Two old shims. Just clean this up a bit. Careful not to scratch all the paint. Just get it right. Alright. That's on. New shims. That's enough of the stuff. Once you've done the brakes, you have to deactivate assembly position. Press F4. I've already done it.
No need to teach the control module. This is for replacement of the control module. Rear pads are moving onto the front pads. For the front pads, you will need a punch, a tapping stick, a 13, mil spanner, a small pair of pliers, and two strong flathead screwdrivers.
You can see right now. I'm going to take this pin out, and this one, and this one, and the sensor. What you do, you're going to push the piston back. So. You can see. Probably best to do with 2 hands.
Push both pads outwards away from the disc at the same time. Always go slow and steady.
I'll make sure all 4 pots are back. Otherwise, you won't get the pads in. Nice and slow. And force it.
Once you have all 6 pistons pushed back in, you can now remove the pins.
Right back. Right back. These are the new pads. Not much difference. We haven't got them. So for now, I'll just pop this one back out. Carefully so we don't break it. There we go.
The brake warning sensor was not damaged, so was reused.
Okay. Nothing wrong with this one.
Make sure the little metal clip does not fly off.
And the new pad. Make sure it's the right way around. Lump on the inside. Pop it in. And budge on top. That slots in here nicely. The other one slots in there. Just check there's no differences.
The pad with the sensor is fitted on that side.
Nice. Lovely. And then big pin in the same order. Took it out. There you go. Put it back in. And the bolt. Lovely.
Reverse in procedure.
Make sure you get this the right way around. There's a clip on the top of the wire. Sensor in. This from the back. Just to wobble the pads around. Make sure it goes through there.
Make sure pins are fully home.
Tapping back in and punch. Actually, so it changes. And push that in.
When tightening the wheel nuts, don't allow full weight of the car on the wheel. until wheel nuts are torqued to 150 Newton meters, then release the jack.
There you go. Done.
Make sure you pump up the brake pedal before a test drive.
Please subscribe, like, and follow.